No, the shopping cart trick does not work with JCPenney. I haven't heard of anybody actually getting a shopping cart trick to work with JCPenney. You can definitely try, but I haven't heard of anybody actually getting it to work with them. Now, let's go ahead and let me see if I can look up who the JCPenney credit card. So yeah, the JCPenney credit card is with Synchrony Bank, and Community Bank is the company that usually does the shopping cart trick. So I guess I can try to make a video about this though, because this one can pre-qualify you guys without a hard inquiry, which is really good. You got a $15 birthday credit, bonus point stay, platinum appreciation. So I guess this could actually be a great credit card, especially since they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, and they are a Synchrony Bank um, credit card. So yeah, you can't use this for the shopping cart trick, but you can pre-qualify for it without a hard inquiry. So if you really want that card, like I've been telling people, if you really want a credit card, get it. Like just go ahead and get it. That hard inquiry is not going to kill you. You guys shouldn't be getting too many hard inquiries anyway. Like you'll be